Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are with another Polaris pool cleaner, and the owner said that it just randomly stops when it's going throughout the pool, and so very upset with it. But if you look at the cleaner, it's hard to tell, but you can see this front wheel is out at an angle. See how the gap right here versus the gap here? So the bearings in this front wheel are shot. That's one thing. The other thing is, see how it's not engaging the axle. So because of that, either the teeth are worn off the inside of it. You can see the teeth here. They actually look, oh, there's a completely bald spot. So we go from good teeth down to bad teeth or no teeth. So this gear, because the bearings got bad, has just completely worn out the tread on the inside of the tire. A lot of times we can take the back one. There we go. You can see the tread on this one pretty well gone too. So needs a new tire. Needs new bearings, and it'll run as good as new. So we'll pull that apart. Backup valve seems to be good, but it's kind of just hanging around in the deep end. It won't go up the hill, and the reason it won't go up the hill because the front wheel doesn't have any power because the teeth are gone. So we're going to fix that real quick, and then this one will be back in business. All right, guys, we are going to work on this cleaner. And if you own a Polaris 280 especially, you're always going to be working on it. Just like we talked yesterday, you can see this wheel kind of curves out. You see the gap here. So we know it's got bad bearings. So let's pull that apart. We'll fix it first. Okay. Oh yeah. Grab that. Okay, if you can see this bearing, we've got BBs all the way around, and here they get really tight, and here we have none. So it's causing that wheel to sit in there good. We also take a look at this axle, the drive axle or drive splines, in very good shape. Looks new actually. So we know that's not a problem. But if you look at this wheel, you can see we have really good teeth over here, and we have no teeth right here. So that's the reason it gets up against the wall and just stops moving, because there's no teeth left on the inside of the wheel. So we're going to replace that wheel, put a new one on it. We're going to check this one. This one looks okay. The rear one, good, not much play in that. And this one, a little bit of wobble, but not too bad. We might take that one apart and look at it too. So let's work on this thing here. Get that other bearing off. You can see how it's just bad. Okay, real simple repair. Just order a new C7 is the black wheel. You can see how much better those teeth are. Look amazing. So we brought new bearings with those. Just pop those babies in. We'll put that on there. We also need to change the rubber on the tires. We'll pull that off. If these tires begin to feel sticky, and again, they're not making them like they used to, so you can get about a year out of your setup here, and then you're going to replace wheels and tires. Just know that going into it, and you won't be so aggravated. But this is a very common occurrence with these cleaners. 9 out of 10 of them that I look at, we end up replacing usually a wheel. And that's about it. This one is also hanging up in this corner. When it comes around, it's just kind of a little sharp. It seems to hang up right there, so we'd like it to turn a little bit quicker. So we're just going to add a little bit of sideways. Usually this will set either straight out or at 11 o'clock. We're going to put it more like 9 o'clock, see if we get a little more turn on that corner. So, all right, that's it. But now you can see our wheels are in line. We no longer have that big gap right here, so this thing ought to drive good. Should work real well.